Hello everyone, and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will guide you through fixing the SFC scan not working issue in Windows 11. And now let's get started. If the System File Checker scan is not functioning as expected in Windows 11, we have a solution for you. Begin by opening the Windows search bar and typing Command Prompt. Once it appears in the search results, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. This will open the elevated command prompt window. Instead of the standard SFC scan, we will utilize an alternative command, the DISM scan. The command to use is DISM Online Cleanup Image RestoreHealth. You will find this command in the video description below. After typing or pasting the command, press Enter. This process will initiate a scan of your system to detect and repair any missing or corrupted files that might be preventing SFC from working correctly. Allow this scan to complete fully, as it may take some time. Once the DISM scan has finished and reported its findings, try running the SFC scan again. It should now be functioning properly. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.